Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome. December 31st, 2024. We are wrapping up the year with an exciting guest here, Cheng Wong, whoever missed yesterday's event, Kakudi-FelixSphere Global Business Summit. We had a nice event yesterday, December 30th. For the folks who missed it, we're going to give a highlights here. And my friend Cheng, he's a founder and CEO of FelixSphere, is going to shed some light into his new a startup just started 9 months old, and it's a fantastic product. I personally use it, and I use for my company as well. And I would like to go and introduce him, and then have him show his cool features from his product. Okay. Here you go, Yo Chang. Please take the stage. Yeah.
Thank you, Vasjita, and hello, everyone. I'm Yu Cheng, the founder and CEO of FelixSphere. Thank you for joining us today for this session. I'm thrilled to introduce not just myself, but also FelixSphere, a product we are passionate about and believe will transform how businesses manage and interact with their software ecosystem. So my professional journey has been centered around enterprise softwares, with leadership roles in product and technology at companies like Salesforce, Zenefits, and Huawei. Over the years, I have witnessed the rapid evolution of business software landscape, as well as the challenges organizations face in managing and optimizing their software investments. So these experiences inspired me to create FelixSphere, a solution designed to bridge those gaps and unlock the full potential of enterprise software. FelixSphere is an AI-native platform that simplifies software management. Because today, right now, every business is using SaaS applications. Like middle-sized company, they are using more than 100 SaaS applications on average. And 62% of IT spending is on softwares. And we are trying to help the business manage software smarter and boost the productivity effectively. And the problem we are trying to solve, we actually chunk it into three buckets. The first one is productivity losses. It across from different companies to different industries. We found that employees spend up to 9 hours per week learning and troubleshooting softwares, SaaS applications. It impacting overall productivity of the businesses. So, and also we have seen financial losses. On average, $80 million is wasted annually in enterprise on unused SaaS licenses. Not to mention about overuse on the usages. Also, it has a lot of problems on the compliance and securities. Over 55% of companies struggle with SaaS compliance and securities. They have like risk and data breaches. And all the problems, we would like to provide a centered platforms, trying to help customers to get most out of their software investment. The problems we are trying to solve, we have a lot of features trying to solve different problems from what do you have in your bucket about, which application you are using, how much money you have spent over them, and how many people are using it, and how they use it. And if they are encountering any challenges or blockers, how we can support them. We are leveraging our data platforms, our automation technologies, and our AI technologies, trying to unblock everyone from using softwares in the business. And ultimately, we would like to boost employees' productivity when using SaaS applications, which in turn will boost the productivity of a business. And we have solutions. We have discover and track all apps, and across all your environment, across all your teams, across all your subsidiaries, companies, and also we try to optimize your spend, increase ROI of your software investment. We have AI concierge can train your employees on how to use these softwares, those SaaS applications more efficiently. And this is our vision on our product. We are trying to first help you to find out applications, find out how much money you have spent on them, how much do you have spent over different categories like CRM, HRM, ERP, and also we will take our we will use our AI technologies and data platforms trying to help you to unblock your people when they encounter problems. For example, we have our AI-powered ticketing systems. We will help you to summarize your ticket in a most informative way so that your IT folks and vendor will understand the problems in a very quick way, and then they can solve the problems in a very quick manner. Of course, we also have automations in our roadmaps, and we're gonna automate, the communications interaction between different applications, and also we will try to use AI technologies to build some AI agent for you. Of course, we have our partners like Kakudi. We have very expertise teams behind us. We can work as like a group will help you to streamline your digital operations and trying to help you to embrace, the AI revolution.
Yeah, excellent. I think, Cheng, I think you got a lot of things covered here in like, 4 or 5 slides. What I would like to do is probably I'll ask a couple of questions so far on this one, and then we'll do some more slides, and then in part two of our video, we're going to do a demo of your product, right? So that will also clarify a lot of questions for our audience.
Yeah.
For now, with this 4 slides, I have 2 questions. One, the one with the small businesses you mentioned in the slide number 2, I believe that you have a very good 90% of small businesses have these challenges, right? So typically a startup company or even smaller companies like dentists, attorneys teams, and CPA firms, and even that's kind of small businesses, can they adopt your software? Will it be beneficial, or will it add any value to their business if they start using FelixSphere?
That's a great question. Thanks for asking, Machita. And what we can tell from the current software trend is everybody is embracing more and more softwares because the softwares are more and more easy to use and more important in business. And we can see an increasing trend of the SMBs are using more and more SaaS applications, more AI-powered SaaS applications. And yeah, so the number is growing. Of course, when the number is growing, everybody wants to use softwares. And when you're using it, you need a way to help you to support your employees, to help yourself to efficiently using those applications. With that being said, so we have our ticketing system, support system, our knowledge base. Like I mentioned before, we can help you to manage the internal knowledges. We also have external knowledges about those applications, their features. We have their user manuals information. So when your employee have problems about how to use these softwares, how my teams use these softwares, how we should use these softwares in the most efficient way, our AI will give the answers. Not only giving the answers, we also have visual guidance. Our AI will, just like a people sitting around you and point the fingers over the screens, telling you where to click, where to do the job. And we also, of course, we have the ticketing. If you have problems, you're trying to solve the problems, but it failed, you have to find somebody else to help you. Our AI can help you to summarize the issues and send over the ticket to the people who can answer your questions. And when the question is resolved, the similar questions, in the future will also be resolved because our AI learn about, the answers from the closed resolved ticket, and a similar problem will be automatically handled by AI.
Okay.
So with
Yeah,
our features, yeah.
that's a fantastic explanation. I see that. I think you mentioned about the point where your software can point the mouse click to the users and navigate, help them, right? I think in one of your slides, I think slide number 4 or somewhere, I see walk me, right? WalkMe is
Mm,
I personally use that vendor, like in some of these Salesforce conferences with Dreamforce, where WalkMe
mm,
does a lot of good things about it can help you to go to the navigation for sales
mm.
people coaching or some other team, like you are also doing the similar thing in your software.
Yeah, so WalkMe as a very advanced, established digital adoption software is pretty good, and they have amazing teams, they have amazing product. And what they are doing is like we are trying to teach people in the most so very intuitive ways. We are not like say trying to people adopt the softwares from end to end. We just like say like on-demand questions, right? If you have question about okay, how I can change my email signatures in the Google Gmail, right?
Hmm.
How to me like say create new connectors in the integration platforms of MuleSoft. Those like on-demand questions, we can help people to find out a way to do it. That's our visual guidance works.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that is fantastic. I think, yeah. And I see one more bold statement here. No need for these SaaS anymore. FelixSphere got you covered. That means it's a very bold statement, right? So are we saying that okay, these softwares are probably no longer needed when we start switching to FelixSphere, or is it something you're trying to replicate some of those business functionalities into your product, or what is the exact meaning of the statement?
Oh yeah, so it depends. Like they are all great products, and they actually solve their problems in the vertical areas pretty good. And we are trying to provide another solutions that is that people can use part of our features maybe can solve the problem. Those solutions maybe cannot cover right now. We actually, like I mentioned, we not only cover the SaaS discoveries and help you to reduce the risk of compliance and securities. We also help you to manage spend, manage your software budget, and we also help you to unblock the people using SaaS with different, like say, with different approach, with different features. And you can tell maybe in some verticals, maybe you don't have to use all the features from Zendesk or from ServiceNow, from WorkMe. You can leverage FelixSphere to solve the problems. But of course, we have overlaps, but we are not trying to replace all the products if you already have it in your stacks. But we hope that in the future, after we grow and we can maybe like to cover more. Yeah.
Yeah, that's fantastic. I think when you say service now, it wakes up my another question. Like, the service now is a leader already, right? Like, they do a lot of these automatic ticketing systems, a lot of help desk, IT. Most of the companies are now they are kind of ruling the supporting systems, right? So are you also creating something similar to ServiceNow where you're able to create some IT ticketing systems, or how you're positioning into this particular space?
Oh yeah. So I think ServiceNow is very good companies. They are happy in the industries for like for over I think like say over 1 decade, 2 decades. It's great companies, and they have a lot of customers, and they have a specific volume of them. I love their product. And so Zendesk actually, ServiceNow, sorry. So ServiceNow actually focusing on the, like ticketing, supporting ITSM, and they are doing more than that. They have like their platforms, they have automations, are great. And we are not trying to replace the ServiceNow in your business stack. So we are trying to become, like say, a helpful tools to help you to use the ServiceNow platforms more efficiently. For example, we have our Windows extension plugins, which can, take a screenshot, summarize a screenshot, and take your words and summarize your issues with a screenshot, with a PDF, with the videos you uploaded, and it could be a ticket, very informative, and the ticket will be delivered to the ServiceNow, and IT guy will like say leverage other cool features from ServiceNow to analyze the issues and help you solve the issues in a very quick manner. And similar for the vendors. And our automation platforms also can integrate with ServiceNow automation technologies, and we can facilitate together, the whole business productivities as a whole. So we are trying to, like say, work with ServiceNow and work with their technologies and serve our customers together.
Fantastic, fantastic. So you're going to coexist with these top-notch existing softwares like ServiceNow, WalkMe, and all these big products, and then you can make wonders with those coexistence, right? Okay,
Yeah.
that is fantastic. I think so. Yeah, I think I will let you complete those remaining slides, and we will take a pause or break, and after that we will do the demo of your product in the part two of the Zoom call. I think you have three more slides, I believe, right? So yeah, you can finish off those
Yeah.
slides.
Yeah, before we, moving onward, I would like to also, like take another point about, we are not trying to replace anybody in the market. They are all doing great. So we're actually trying to help them to serve their customers. For example, we talk about ServiceNow, right? ServiceNow maybe have their like a lot of like features, great features. They are trying to, solve their customers' problems. And our like AI can help the ServiceNow customers to know how to use those features more efficiently and how to, like say, to use these features in the most efficient way. And under the company's, great practices, or maybe the ServiceNow have, like say, some implementation features over those, over their ITSM product, and we can have ServiceNow to serve their customers as well. And we have the knowledge, our AI will answer people's questions and show people how to use our ServiceNow. All
Yeah, I
right.
think that's a great approach. Like, right? I think that's how you can start entering into the market. I think with the big space. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So as Vasita mentioned, we have some screenshot of our product, and I'm looking forward to show you the product in live. But anyway, so this is the discovery application modules we are providing to our customers right now. And you can tell, you can find all the applications in your business environment, in your software ecosystems, what are they, and how many users are using it, and how much money you have spent over using them. And also we have spend management. We can alert you when you spend some money that it should not be spent on. Or maybe, like say you sign a contract with somebody but, like say the contract is expiring. We have all the alerting systems. We have analytics. We have data behind those numbers. And it will give you insightful actions, suggestions. So you can take actions based on our analytics. And of course, we have AI concierge as we talk about it. It can help you to train your employees, help you to support your employees while using applications, and also help you to, like to get more insights over the market. You want to know which application you want to buy for your company, for your HR teams, in Canada. You can ask our AI, and it will give you all the options based on your business context. Of course, we have marketplace. And if you have some product, you can put on our marketplace. Or if you want to buy some product with discount, you also can browse over our marketplace, and we will bring, like I would say, like say the fit product for your business need. And we have app applications. We have other like platforms support, like say Google Play, Apple Store. And you can just like go anywhere and ask our AI about your software environment, software ecosystems, and it will answer your questions, take actions, and from your phone. All right, that's all from my slides.
Okay, yeah, this is fantastic. I think you have even mobile versions of Android and Apple Store, right? That is going to make people handy if they are traveling, and then they can use that. That is a fantastic, right? Okay. Okay, so we'll give a pause here, and we'll come back in the recording two, session two, where Yoching will do a deep dive onto the product of with the live some of these cost savings and some of these AI concepts, cool features, and then we will continue with the questions while he's giving the demo. Okay. Okay. See you in the next video.
Thank you all. Thank you.